Yes, sir. He is becoming.
Welcome to Guru. Hi. Ukrul, how are you? Ukrul is okay. Welcome to Ukrul, sir. Ukrul is okay.
Big back of it.
Welcome to
Hey, welcome to Ukrul, sir. Welcome, sir. How are you? Sir, fine, it's a blessing. Hi. How are you?
Thanks, sir. Welcome, sir.
Hi. How are you? Fine, sir.
Deputy Commissioner Ukrul Madam during the Kodose Tamilaba Nation Jury. Ahambuda, we have Honorable Chief Minister Sri M. Biren Singh. Anishubada, we have Honorable Sri Thongam Biswajit, Minister of Power, Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Agriculture, Science and Technology, Yarina Abang Kapini Sirse, Abang Subdashri Yungnam Kemjan, Minister of Municipal Administration, Housing and Urban Development, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, Sri Govindas Konthujan, Minister of Public Works Department, Youth Affairs and Sports, Honorable Sri Awongbao Nyumai, Minister of Water Resources, Relief and Disaster Management. And we have Honorable Sri Dr. Sabam Ranjan Singh, Minister of Medical Health and Family Welfare Department, Publicity and Information Department. And we have Honorable Sri Thonojam Pasindra Kumar, Minister of Education Department, Law and Legislative Affairs Department. And next we have Honorable Sri Lesangthem Susindro Maite, Minister of Public Health Engineering Department, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Department. And we have Honorable Sri H. Bingo Singh, Minister of Social Welfare Department, Skill, Labor, Employment and Entrepreneurship Department, Fisheries Department. Yarina Abang Kapini Sirse. Kakhanili Hunpun Village Authority. Honorable MLA Sri Ramwiva for welcome address.
Merci. 18 October 2023. Yai Paraba Numit Asida. I, on behalf of the entire people of Ukrul and Kamchong districts, now Lubna Ekoigi, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Ming Panjarabada, Sri Nongthombam Biren Singh, Naulupna Khorum Cheri. on behalf of the entire people of Kamchong in Ukhrul district, warmly extend our warm welcome to Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur and his colleagues, cabinet ministers, Mingwai na Panjarabada, Sri T.H. Biswajit Singh, Nolumna Kurumchari, Sri Y. Khemchand Singh, Nolupna Kurumchari, Sri K. Govinda Singh, Nolupna Kurumchari, Sri Awangpao Nyumai, Nolupna Kurumchari, Dr. Sambam Ranjan Singh, Nolupna Kurumchari, Sri L. Sushindro Mitei, Nolupna Kurumchari, Sri H. Tinko Singh, Nolupna Kurumchari, Sri T.H. Pasanta Singh, Nolupna Kurumchari, Aduga Sri Khashim Bashum, Nolupna Kurumchari. Loinana, Honorable CM ga Loina Rakpa, a colleague MLA Mayam, Ming Oina Panjarabada, Hill Area Committee Chairman Sri Tipu Bose, Sri Ibomja, MLA Lamlai, Kendra, Sri Choi Kishan, Sri Sham Kumar, Sri Dr. Usham Tipen, Sri Shanti, Sri Jahem Long Panmei, Sri Komosha, Sri Arun Kumar, Sri Leshio Keshing, M.H. Ashaputin, Sri Premchan, Aduga BJP ki General Secretary, Amashung Chairperson, Manipur Building and Construction ki Sri Sharad Singh. Aduga Shida Diliba, the Administrative Secretaries, led by Dr. Ravini Joshi, Chief Secretary, and his colleague, Additional Chief Secretary M.H. Khan, and Commissioner Mr. P.K. Shah, Commissioner Shailash Chaurasia, Commissioner Gyan Prakash, Commissioner T. Ranjit Singh, Commissioner M. Choi Singh, and Commissioner Low, and also all the other administrative secretaries, if I've left out anybody, and also the head of the district, Srimati Suringla Keshing, IS, DC Ukhrul, and SP Ukhrul, Srining Sheboshum, and also IGP Mr. Kabib, DIG Mr. Warchang Hongyo, and the District Council Chairman Mr. Mark Luiting, and other these DLOs, district level officers, Reverend Theophilus Simic, Chief of Ukhrul Khayaiwo, Chief of Humpung Mr. Peter, and also the head of the CSOs of Ukhrul, President Tangkur Nakalong, President Tangkur Naka Unolong, President Tangkur Sinaulong, President TKS, President TMNL, and friends from press and media, ladies and gentlemen, I have great pleasure to welcome once again the Honorable Chief Minister on behalf of the entire people on this auspicious day and his colleagues. Sir, ekoi nang ngasi lakbasi ekoi tamakti yai pharaba numinian laujai. Sir na ekoi taubiba sinthaningai yaba project yam taubi khrabani Ukhrulda. Aduna once again I express our deep gratitude on behalf of the people. Sinthaningai yaba project mayam ki marakta aina amani di adum haichaningi. Khwaidagi aikhoina kauthokpa yaroidaba. It will become immortal, you know, that the Shirui Lily Festival, Mr. Sir Nahobi Khepani, Shirui Lily Festival truly is the legacy of the CM. Aduga our market, Ima market chi, Chaudrabasu, Ekoi Ima Mayam Giri, Yamna Kanaraba Wujiki, Ima market ni, she Sir Shabi Khepani. Aduga Tangkhul headquarter crown ki VIP gallery adushu Sir Shabi Khepani. Yeah, thank you. Hujik khwaidagi muru oina Sinthaningai Yaba project Amadi Petugru College, the second oldest college of Manipur, the Hujiki Sarna Boys and Girls Hostel, Ethnicity Block Haina 38 crore, which is Chathari. Aina Matam Yam Loroi, Ukhur the Lakpanina, Ukhurgi, Maram the Kitang di Haininge. Ekhoi Manipur ki Royal Chronicle, Itihas. Ningthorol Kumbaba, Chaithorol Kumbaba da, Mr. Choi Chandra na English the translate over, Yam Pajabalarik Amalay, The Lost Kingdom. Adu da Shumain Haibani, Kangla Fort ki, Motu, Pukhidu, Ekhoi Tangkul 36 villages na, Taupani Hani Yawi, Humpum, Ukrul, Somdal, Mohe leadership da. Matam Amada, Palace Kanchipur Hongkibani, Adu Kanchipur ki Motu, Ekhoi Tangkul na Shembi Bani, Maharaj na Nungaiman Bagidigi, Tangkul da Colony Ama Alota Bani, Puru Pad Haina. Adu da Professor Kamung Megi, History of Manipur Volume 1 da Yawi, Adu Porom Padu Oigatara Khali. Ekhoi Western Kangla Ketegi, Khoremban Bazaar Ima Market Haibeshe, Ipa Ipu Matam da Shana Gaithel Kauromi, Adugi PT Road to Ekhoi Tangkul na Shembani and Adusu Yawi, the Lost Kingdom the Yawbani. Aduna Matam Quina, Ekhoi she, Ekhoi interaction she yam close and Lerambani Habshay, hiding Bani. First World War, the Viceroy of India, the Queen of England, Maharaj Churachanda, Labor Corp 2000 PO Haibani. Aduda cookie shingdi Chatlaroi and repel Tawi. Ekhoi Tangkul na quite the Chauba, single tribe da 1200 France ki Marseille the Chatpani. Aduda interpreter Ekhoi Tangkul ki Humra Marira Yawi, Mr. Ruchum Hao, Leshesan Shaiza, Aduga Leshesan Shaiza, Kanrai Shaiza, Tiliukham, Aduga A. Porom Singh. A. Porom Singh si Payengi Meteni, Adubu, Ukhurda Chakwat Panina, Mashu Tangkulgi, interpreter when Chatpani, Matam Amada Mashi Tangkulon Yam Haibanina, the showers of blessing, Ishaidu. A. Porom Singh na Tangkulon the translator when he had like the Pa the Pangi. Adumna, Leshisan Shaiza di Alexandra di Shiduna Magi, Cemetery the other Labani. Aduna, Hujiki, Maharaj Churajan Singbu, British ki Queen and Nungaiman Kipdegi Mabu, knighted Tawuni. Aduna Maharaja Manung da Sir Raibesi, Churajan Dani, Churajan and Nungaiman Kibedegi, TM College Lamdu Equa de Pirame, Guanamana College Hauni have a MBC Lamdu Moin Man Alot Kibani. Adum Matamda, incidentally, a great maternal grandfather, Ningshang, in the court of Sir Maharaj Churachanda Mashi, Penkun Khongba Mi Oirami. He was a bugler in the court of Maharaj Churajan, a grandfather, great grandfather. Adumaina, Ekhoi Ukrulshe, Mashak Naiba Yaba, significant Yam Lay. Ekhoi Ching the Koi the Ihan Hana education Haubeshe, Ekhoi Ukrulni, 19 February 1896. Aduga Ukruldi Ginakoi Mayam the Kangi. First elected women, Yang Mela Shaiza, the first chief minister from the hills, Yang Maso Shaiza, Amuga Rishankei Singh. Manipur, mi Kuting Mag na quite the respect labor, chief minister Wairami, Rishankei Singha, Yang Maso Shaiza Shi. Aduna AD, Serbo Shumen Heiningi, Yarabadi Ukrulshe, Manipur summer capital Waitiu Heiningi. Shiki welcome address ki Tanja Shilauraga Sarda Mayam ki Timandu Kitang Haitok Ningi number 1 da Ekhoi gi summer capital Oina Naba Matam Amada Ukrulshe Aduga Impal Ukrulshe along the Topal River 4 lanes si Oina Naba AD MRTH da recommend Tauninga AD CM Hainingi Karino Hairaga 4 lane Oirabadi only 60 km Oigatabni Ukrulshe Pung Amada Impali Yabungam Gani. Christian Suyam Pajaba along the Topal River Ching Suka Karoi Dabani, Mahadepta, Tanel Amatawani, Tanel Amakaktaur of the Ukrul Hobishe, Tampa Oina Yawingam Gani, Hining Bani. Number 2 da ekhoi Ukhrul town gi sarok se hoi mayai gi di national highway ni na black top tawi lekai khuting se loi na lepak lekhom na mi wa ba chai ningai leite masi mayam gi demand di khla black top tawiu hai bani adu thanks to PWD Honorable Minister Govinda Sabjushida lere mokhoi na concept note am shemi nesit gi makhada kra black top taw no na ba nesit si North East Special Infrastructure Development M toner makhada leibani adu da sir na Honorable CM na recommend taw birabadi matam amada black top sharok si tawinga haibasi ekhoi khoi degi khaurang na ngaijaba mayam gi timani ahum shubada ising wabasi Ukhrul si hainingai leite aduna thanks to Honorable Minister Awangpao Sab Mokhoi Water Resource Department na Ukhrul multi-purpose project hai nama shem khare adugi preliminary project report PPRC sir gi da thakat kharabani yarabadi adudi external aided project da tawbiu haibani either World Bank or ADB adushu mayam gi timani Roshin badai shumen hainingi Ukhrul si imphandi khra thapani na together with Tamenglong and Ukhrul se yarabadi medical care se doctor shu nurse shu hengkat naba a doctor medical minister gi Dr. Ranjan de shu she request tawning bani aduga yarabadi prime minister na every district hospital si medical college on thokani haiba lauthok pani na to be funded by government of India matam amada Ukhrul gi district hospital shu medical college si operate on ba si ekoi mayam gi timani aduga hojiki loishin bada aina hek hauda hai khare Manipur ching da Ukhrul da khoi di education se hauki bani 19th century da aduna yarabadi ekoi gi Ukhrul da central government central gi Hill University ama recommend tawbiu habisi ai sir da mesi request tawjani aduga ekoi power minister Biswajit Sabshushida lere Kamchong ga Ukhrul gi ashom gi international border labor sing se 21 villages are without power ni 21 villages without power kachau phung da hauraga choro phau bise nahan aina Mumbai gi Kharta Foundation haibda hairaga mohoina lemna khayang ga khayang phungtha dadi solar light happy khare aduga mohoina ronshak roni hasam phungshu lemna solar light bigni hai khare adubu 21 villages di sidi enchon di ngamoi government na power department mesi pinapa hajaningi aduga ekhoi ching sidi industry siding khatpa yada banina our USP unique selling point sidi tourism destination sini matam amata Ukhrul sisu Kamchong sisu tourist destination tawnon ba hujikti Manipur tourism policy da PK Shah na bhajana shemaga the tourism should not be and hujiki tourist circuit haina tawgani haina tawre PPP da private public partnership adui makhada ekoi concept note amadi sir bu thagat ki bani yarabdi NEC da khra recommend tawbiramo sir disu mayam gi praja gi timani finally haigadra ekoi Ukhrul town se solid waste management leidaba ado Ukhrul ki town sarok si yam mot pase ADC CEO David Kashungnau na chillaga comprehensive action plan haina 20 crore gumba gi ama solid waste management shem khrabani ado sir ne shu adu any suitable scheme da khra khanbiramu finally ekhoi gi more si changba yadrabani na Ukhrul shu Kamchong shu international border ni misida to somra natraga wangli namli choro sida ICP ama hangna na ba integrated check post land port ama hangbine ba haibisi mayam gi timani cern masi khara ningshin piramu with these few words I once again welcome the dignitaries led by the Honorable CM from Impal and we all wish the Honorable Chief Minister and his entourage to return home with happy memories of Ukhrul. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable MLA Sri Ramwiva, for the welcome address.